Speed ramping is a visual effect in video editing where clip speed is changed over a period of time. If you're looking to add some skills to your editing game, this is the video for you. I'm going to be jumping into Final Cut Pro and showing you how you can use speed ramping. With what I share with you today, you should be able to apply it to other video editing programs. Speed ramping is used to create a more dynamic and visually appealing video. It can be used to slow down or speed up the action in a clip, making the video more engaging. For me personally, most of the content that I make is for business owners that are using social media. I love to use the speed ramping effect because it helps keep the viewer engaged when scrolling on social media. So let's hop onto the computer and I'll show you how this effect works. Now that we're inside of Final Cut Pro, let's speed ramp this clip that I have ready to go. So here's our clip as the original. It's just a revealing of the signage here. So we'll leave this first little bit at normal, and then once it gets to about here, I'm going to hit R on the keyboard. This is going to bring up the range selector, and I'm going to drag all the way until I see the sign is revealed. And we're going to speed that up by, let's say, 4. We can see it says normal at 100, fast at 400, and normal again at 100. So to slow this tail end part, what we're going to do is make this automatic. Now it should go from normal, fast to slow. Like that. Now let's say we want to maybe start off slower. So what we can do is make this whole clip 40%. Here maybe we want to speed it up. So let's say right around there. So from this whole portion, I want to speed it up. We can go anywhere else, say 8. So now we're going from slow, fast to slow. Drag out the little handlebars here. And that way, in between the clips, it should fade in that motion smoother. So we'll go from here. Now, hopefully you have a better idea of how speed ramping works. Some ways that you can use speed ramping in your video edit is to create tension, bring awareness to a certain subject, or it just simply adds a nice flair to your video. I also find speed ramping to be good for video edits where we're maybe highlighting an athlete. I like to slow down the footwork and then speed it back up. I hope that this video sparks some creative ideas for your next video edit. I want to thank you so much for watching. With that all being said, I'm the Creative Fro, keeping you in the know. I'll see you next time for another video.